Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Touch, your favorite place to learn English in a simple and enjoyable way. My name is Emma.
And hello, I am Jack. Hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. Whether you are at home, at the gym, or taking a walk, we are so happy you are with us today.
It is lovely to see you, Jack. You look refreshed today.
Thank you, Emma. I feel great. I had a good sleep last night, I drank my morning coffee, and now I am ready to talk. How about you?
I am feeling a bit emotional today, Jack.
Emotional. That is an interesting word. Can you explain it for our listeners?
Of course. Emotional means I am feeling many feelings. Happy, a little sad, thoughtful, all at the same time.
Ah, I see. That is a very human feeling. Why are you emotional today, Emma?
Well, because we are at the end of one year and the beginning of another, it is a meaningful time.
Meaningful. Another great word. It means something is important and has deep value.
Exactly. This time of year is meaningful because we think about everything that happened.
Yes, we look back at our journey, we remember the moments.
And we prepare for what is coming next.
That sounds like the perfect topic for today. Let's talk about the year.
Yes, let's do that. But first, Jack, we have something important to ask.
Oh, yes, I know what you mean. We need to ask our wonderful listeners for some help.
Please, if you enjoy learning English with us, click the subscribe button right now. It is free and it helps us so much.
And please press the like button. Give this video a thumbs up. It tells us you are enjoying the lesson.
Also, share this podcast with someone who is learning English, maybe your friend, your colleague, or your family member.
Yes, sharing is caring. Thank you, everyone. Now, let's begin our conversation.
Okay, Jack, when you think about last year, what comes to your mind first?
Let me think about that. I think about growth.
Growth? What do you mean by growth?
Growth means becoming bigger or better. Like a plant grows, but for people it means we improve, we develop.
Ah, so you feel you grew as a person last year?
Yes, I really do. I learned new things, I faced challenges, and I came out stronger.
That is wonderful to hear. For me, when I think about last year, I think about surprises.
Surprises? Good surprises or bad surprises?
Both, actually. Life gave me some unexpected moments.
Unexpected. That means you did not see them coming. You did not plan for them.
Exactly. Some were happy surprises, some were difficult, but all of them taught me something.
That is life, isn't it? We cannot control everything.
No, we cannot, but we can control how we respond.
Very wise words, Emma. Okay, let's practice some English. Let's use the past simple tense.
Great idea. The past simple is for actions that are finished. They happened before and they are complete.
Yes. So, Emma, what did you do last year? Tell me one special thing.
Okay, last year I moved to a new apartment.
Really? You moved? That is exciting. Was it a big change?
Yes, it was. I packed all my things, I hired a moving truck, I unpacked everything in my new home.
Did you like the new place?
I loved it. I decorated every room. I painted the walls, I bought new furniture.
That sounds like a lot of work.
It was, but it was also very satisfying. Satisfying means it made me feel good. I felt accomplished.
I understand. You worked hard and you saw the results.
Exactly. What about you, Jack? What did you do last year?
Well, I adopted a pet.
A pet? Oh, how lovely. What kind of pet?
A dog. His name is Biscuit.
Biscuit? That is such a cute name. Why did you call him Biscuit?
Because he is brown and sweet, just like a biscuit.
That is adorable. Did you train him?
Yes, I trained him every day. I taught him to sit, I taught him to stay, I even taught him to shake hands.
Shake hands with his paw?
Yes, with his paw. It took many weeks, but he learned.
That is so cute. So you became a dog owner last year.
I did, and it changed my life. I wake up earlier now, I walk every morning, I have a companion.
A companion is someone who is with you, a friend.
Yes, Biscuit is my furry companion.
That is beautiful, Jack. Now, let's talk about the present perfect tense.
Ah, yes, the present perfect. This tense connects the past to the present.
We use have or has plus the past participle. For example, I have learned.
And we use it when the past is still important now, or when the action continues until now.
Right. So, Jack, how have you changed this year?
Good question. I have become more patient.
Patient. That means you can wait without getting angry or upset.
Yes, training Biscuit taught me patience. Dogs do not learn immediately. You must wait.
That is a valuable skill. Patience is important in many areas of life.
What about you, Emma? How have you changed?
I have become more organized.
Organized? Because of your new apartment?
Yes, partly. Moving made me think about my things. I ask myself, do I need this? Is this useful?
Ah, so you cleaned and organized your belongings.
I did. I have given away many old things. I have created a better system for my life.
A system?
Yes, I have started using a calendar. I have written down my goals. I have planned my days better.
That is impressive. You have taken control of your time.
I have tried. It is not perfect, but I have improved.
Improvement is progress. That is what matters.
Jack, now I want to ask you a deeper question.
A deeper question? Okay, I am listening.
What was the hardest moment of your year?
That is quite personal, but I will share.
Take your time.
The hardest moment was when I felt lonely.
Lonely? Even with Biscuit?
This was before Biscuit. At the beginning of the year, I was very alone. My friends were busy, my family was far away.
That sounds difficult.
It was. Some weekends, I did not talk to anyone. I felt invisible.
Invisible means no one sees you. No one notices you.
Yes, it was a dark time for me.
How did you overcome it? Overcome means to beat a problem, to get through it.
I made a decision. I decided to reach out. I called old friends. I joined a local club. I put myself out there.
Put yourself out there. That means you tried to meet people. You took social risks.
Exactly. And slowly things got better. I made new connections. And then I got Biscuit, and I never felt alone again.
That is a powerful story, Jack. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you for listening. What about you, Emma? What was your hardest moment?
My hardest moment was when I failed at something.
Failed? You? What happened?
I tried to start a small business. I wanted to sell handmade jewelry.
Oh, that sounds creative.
It was. I made necklaces and bracelets. I opened an online shop.
And what happened?
Nobody bought anything. For weeks, I had zero sales.
Oh no, that must have been disappointing.
It was. Disappointing means I felt let down. My hopes were not met.
Did you give up?
Almost. I wanted to quit, but then I asked for help. I talked to people who had successful businesses.
And what did they say?
They said failure is part of learning. They said I needed to try different things, change my photos, change my prices, tell more people.
So you kept going?
I did, and slowly sales came. Not many, but some. I realized that success takes time.
That is a great lesson. Success takes time. You cannot rush it.
Exactly. And failure is not the end. It is just a step on the journey.
Wow, Emma. Both of us had hard times, but we both grew.
Yes, that is the interesting thing about challenges. They are difficult, but they shape us.
Shape us, like clay. The hard times mold us into better people.
Beautifully said, Jack.
Thank you. Now, Emma, I have another question. What are you grateful for?
Grateful. That means thankful. What good things am I thankful for?
Yes, let's think about gratitude. It is important to appreciate the good things.
I am grateful for my health. I stayed healthy this year.
Health is so important. Without health, nothing else matters.
I am also grateful for this podcast, for you, Jack, and for our listeners.
Aw, that is so kind. I am grateful for you too, Emma. And our listeners, they make everything worthwhile.
What else are you grateful for, Jack?
I am grateful for second chances.
Second chances.
Yes, when I felt lonely, life gave me a second chance to make friends. When I made mistakes, I got the chance to try again.
That is lovely. Life does give us many opportunities.
It does. We just have to see them.
Now, Jack, as we close this year, do you have any wishes for the new year?
Wishes? Yes, I do. I wish to travel more. I have always wanted to visit Japan.
Japan? That sounds amazing. I hope you go.
Thank you. What about you? Any wishes?
I wish to be braver. I want to try new things without fear.
That is a wonderful wish. Be braver. I believe in you.
Thank you, Jack. I believe in you too. And to our listeners, what are your wishes? Think about it.
Yes, before we finish, we have a question for all of you. Please go to the comments section. We want to hear from you.
Tell us, what was your proudest moment last year? Proudest means the moment you felt most happy about yourself.
Write it in English. Use the past simple or present perfect. Practice with us.
For example, you can write, I passed my English exam, or I have started a new job.
We love reading your comments. Your stories inspire us.
And remember to subscribe to Mr. English Touch. Click that bell so you never miss a lesson.
Share this video with friends who want to improve their English. Together, we can learn.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today. You are amazing.
Yes, you are. Keep practicing, keep learning, keep growing.
Happy New Year, everyone. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, friends. Take care of yourselves.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.